Stand mixers are essential to any maker's kitchen, and they can be a fun addition to your decor, offered in a range of colors as unique as you. Store your stand mixer, attachments, and accessories together to keep them close at hand for when inspiration strikes. The easiest and most common place to store your stand mixer is on your countertop. Countertop storage keeps this frequently used culinary icon within easy reach for unlocking creative possibilities in the kitchen. You can easily coordinate with your kitchen's color scheme in a way that matches your creativity. Also, choose from a wide variety of unique bowls, like patterned and embossed ceramics, stainless steel, and more. Find a storage spot on your countertop that's closest to your prep space. If space is limited, choose an Artisan Series mini tilt head stand mixer. It's lighter, smaller, and just as powerful as the classic tilt head model.